Hi, first grade. Yesterday we used the change diagram and talked about how we have a starting number. The middle line is where we change, and then we have our end number. Yesterday we used the change diagram for addition, so that's why there is a plus sign in the middle. So this is a quick review of what we did yesterday, and then I will show you how we use the diagram today. So I'm going to tell a number story. I baked 5 cookies, and then I baked 5 more. How many cookies did I bake in all? 5 plus 5 is 10. So altogether, I baked 10 cookies. When I write my number model, 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I am just going to copy it down below. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now, first grade, we can also use the change diagram to subtract and to find numbers that are less. We call the addition side change to more, and we call the subtraction side change to less. So now I'll go ahead and say a number story for change to less. I'm going to use cookies again. I bake 8 cookies. So I am starting with 8. I eat 1 cookie, minus 1. How many cookies are left? If I start at 8 and hop back 1, I end at 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. So I can copy that down below. First grade, yesterday was change to more, and today is change to less. Go ahead to the next page in Seesaw, and I have a quick change to less number story for you. Thanks for watching, first grade.